Hey everyone, welcome to our quick guide on how to add or transfer money to Venmo in 2025. Venmo has become a go-to app for splitting bills, sending cash to friends, or even getting paid, and it's super straightforward once you know the steps. If you're new or just need a refresh, stick around. We'll break it down in simple terms so you can get started right away. First, make sure you have the Venmo app downloaded on your phone and you're logged in. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to sign up with your email or phone number. Once you're in, let's tackle adding money to your Venmo balance. Head to the You tab at the bottom of the screen. That's where you'll see your current balance. Tap on it, then select Add Money. You'll be prompted to choose a funding source, like your linked bank account or debit card. Enter the amount you want to add, review the details, and confirm. Depending on your bank, this might take a minute or two to process, so keep an eye on your app notifications. Now, for transferring money to someone else, it's just as simple. From the home screen, tap the Pay or Request button. Search for the person by their Venmo username, phone number, or email. Once you find them, enter the amount you want to send, add a fun note if you'd like, maybe something like "Pizza's on me." And double-check everything for accuracy. Hit send, and you're done. The recipient will get a notification, and the money should arrive almost instantly if they're in your network. A couple of quick tips to make your experience smoother. Always verify the recipient to avoid any mix-ups, and use a secure Wi-Fi connection for transactions. Also, keep track of your transaction history in the app to monitor your activity. Remember, Venmo prioritizes security, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. There you have it. You're now a pro at adding and transferring money on Venmo in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy sending.